That's for good change in my life. It was my first time on a panel and my first time truly understanding what it means to serve. In just 3 days, I found family in a room full of creatives and a kind of fulfillment that I've never ever felt in my life. I discovered something deeper within myself and what creativity is truly capable of. And even though this happened last year, it's something I've held so close in my heart and I would love to take you guys through it. So let's relive this experience together.
Morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, Jara freaking Georgia for a reason. So today I'm heading to Imo State. Hey! What were the odds? I haven't been to Imo State since about 2018 when I lost my grandfather. He's so rest in peace. I haven't been to Imo State in a while. What were the odds? I'm going for an initiative by Lens for Good. I'm going to be present as a panelist and a facilitator for the Creatives Initiative. So they're calling on all creatives in Imo State, and there are lots of other creatives coming from Lagos as well. I don't know what to expect, but the good thing is that this is a thing of impact. So I'm going to be taking some people through some courses on content creation and telling them how I do it the Jara way. Honestly guys, it's 12 p.m. Flights by 2. I don't like being late for things, but anyways, they're covering my flight to and fro. They booked me a room. I don't know what else to expect. I'm just going there. We are gonna see everything when we get there. I'm super excited. I obviously want to take like professional pictures. I also had a shoot some days ago with Layo Makinwa. You guys should go and book him. He is good. I had some professional headshots because honestly, like, I need some professional pictures. I did 3 looks: professional headshot, I did this dress that gave this brown aesthetic, and then I did this very alt aesthetic one. Maybe you guys see by now, but it's really nice and cute. We'll do a quick outfit check. My top, I've had this top a while ago. I'm wearing like all black today. This is like my jumper. All I'm going to say is, what are the odds? What are the odds? Georgia last year would never even think be JaraGeorgia now. I mean, I already had the Beauty Hall brand trip, okay, but I'm being flown out to Imo State. Still something. Maybe soon South Africa, maybe some Ghana, maybe some Morocco, Tanzania. You never really can tell, but I'm just so happy. Thank you, Abba. Yeah, let the vlog freaking begin. Mwah! Let's go. Oh, so my nails are so cute, gorgeous. Ah! Good day, passengers, and welcome on board. This flight is headed to Imo State for the Lens for Good Creative Impact. Whether you're this journey watching from afar, get ready to experience creativity, purpose, and impact through Jara's lens.
Dear guests, we are descending the landing.
I'm all checked in. Hi, my loves. We are finally at Imo State, already to be precise. I'm an Ori babe, and I am super excited. I've met with the entire team downstairs, so I just had to settle in because I'm really tired. I'm still going downstairs to have my buffet and dinner, but I want to give you guys a quick room tour and let you know what's going on. Alright, so this is my room. I've somehow unpacked, hence everything. Had to unpack and call my loved ones, called my dad, called my mom, spoke to my uncles. Bro, everybody was on my round, stop them. Because I'm from Imo. But yeah, we have a meeting right now. I had to go, but we have a meeting, but I will meet you guys after.
At some, yeah. But the whoa, BTS.
This is your floor.
Yeah, good night, guys.
Bust your bubble.
Bye. Bye. Oh my goodness, good morning, guys. This day was so fun. I mean, like, you could see the glimpse. Like, we had an amazing meeting. Then we went to check out the event center. It's like 30 seconds walk away from here, which is perfect. I just woke up. I'm gonna have breakfast. The event starts by 11 and I want to start getting ready by at least 10. I have to eat before I leave here. I'm happy, I feel blessed. Like, I even posted it on my story yesterday, just yesterday, and all my friends are so supportive. I'm like, I didn't know if we'll get like that. Heading out to go and chat. See you. We're back. Ooh, breakfast was so good. Breakfast was amazing. Oh my goodness. And everybody kept on criticizing me because I ate clean. I had salad, sandwich, egg, and veggies.
What was that?
Wait a damn minute.
Anyway, so I can start getting ready because I think it's about 9 something and we are to be there by 11. Hi, I just finished getting ready. I am ready. The look is so tea. Alright, so let's do a quick outfit of the day. 2-piece from Stanimegos. They were so reliable because tell me why I ordered that same day and my flight was by 12. I told them I need it before 12 and I got it before 12 and I wasn't late for my flight. Clear. Bag from Zara. My shoes as well from Zara. Like lately I've been shopping from Zara because I've been asking my girls like, can you guys put me on? Where are you guys getting your clothes? And they all told me the tea. That's what we love and I'm super excited. We're all supposed to meet there by 12:10. Hi. So apparently I'm not that late. Wait for everyone to come outside. I've gotten my facilitator card and I'm ready to rock.
Welcome, yes today. We are starting right about now. They selected Imo State, part of this pilot program. There are 2 phases of what this event is all about. One is to give you the practical skill, not just have the knowledge, you're going to be guessing.
We've seen some videos from Imo State, even you people within Imo State. I think I've had a few friends come to Imo, shoot some things, and you'll be asking yourself, is this really Imo? How many of us have seen things like that? You'll be like, oh, you see it on TikTok, and you're like, oh, is this really Imo?
Maybe under a tent or inside this hall, and you carry that same phone and take a picture outside the hall.
Guys, we're next. You belong to me and I belong to her. Oh baby, you're killing somebody.
Global audiences from their bedrooms, offices, and even on the retreat. They are proof that you don't need permission to create, just purpose, passion, and persistence.
Video going viral does not necessarily mean that it is impactful, and we'll come to that like tomorrow when we're talking about how to create, what to say, what to do, and all that sort of going. It's not the same thing that. The motive is the essence, your substance, because when we are all going through something in this world. You can touch someone with your story. It's as simple as picking up your camera, like you said, like the basic things.
On your road. So you call it your job and you do it through your best. Yes,
Let's go to Creative Workshop Day 1!
I'm serious, that's hilarious.
But why do people want to say?
Whoa, guys, we are back. Day 1 was so intense, and see, the next time you guys see me going for any event or anything I've been called for, I will have a PA. I am gonna freaking have a PA. I'm not gonna do this. I am not here. Naomi, you guys know her, she had a PA. One of the guy had a PA and they were just helping them. Like I had no one to help me. I'm not the type of person to ask someone to help me. Well, a closed mouth is a closed destiny, but do I have to ask? Could you just help me? I mean, I did get some pictures from amazing Dara. She's amazing, but like they were very limited because everyone wanted to take pictures with her. But I took some myself just now. I don't even want to reason it too much. It was really nice. Guys, I actually met like some girls that knew me. What do you mean? Some girls in Uri. I was so shocked. I was like, oh, Jara. Also, I have to address something. See, I've big time been successful at making JaraGeorgia my brand name. And you know, with everything I do, I say Jara. Let's add Jara to your BT. Jara Touch, Jara Essence, Jara Extra. Nobody in this hotel calls me Georgia. Everybody calls me Jara. On stage, I was introduced as JaraGeorgia. Amiibo, I still want to sustain my surname. Like, I love JaraGeorgia. The extent that in person, obviously, professionally, call me JaraGeorgia. My brand name has superseded my actual name. Like that's just it. My brand name has superseded my actual name. And obviously, I chose that brand name for a reason. I didn't put my surname for a reason. Everybody knows me as JaraGeorgia. But yeah, the event was really nice today. I'm so tired. Like, I'm tired. My social battery is low. I just feel overstimulated. I have to get PA. Like, I want like a virtual PA and like someone that if I need you for any event, you are coming. Yeah, I'll see you guys. Photography is warm. Photography is warm. Hi guys, we are here. I'm at my booth. My booth is booth 7. I'm going to be taking them through, content. I'm going to be assessing them for something that they have to do. This is very hands-on, and I'm seeing a lot of people who are actually willing to learn. Like, they want to be here, they want to learn. What's FBM? Time off. Hi, we're at Lens for Good. I am facilitator. Introduce yourself.
I am Antonia.
Yeah.
Volunteer.
Yeah, Papa is Imo State. Okay.
Yes, from Imo State.
Oh, is this one? I think this is one.
Good.
Okay, that's a question.
I was supposed to be in last Friday.
Okay.
So I received the mail late.
I'll let them know that you're just coming, right?
For the content.
Just stay here then. Just sit down. Just sit down. That's fine. Okay.
Sell a product. Couldn't be bad. Read my glasses. As far as you're selling the item, it has to be 20 seconds. If it's 21, we're out. If it's 19, we're out. Right? And again, it has to have a good hook. You know what a hook is?
You're looking for trouble. I swear. Don't play. Don't play. Don't play. Don't play. You cannot play with Nigerian creatives. Don't play. Don't play.
And like she mentioned, right, there needs to be an essence of what's the message, what are you leaving to guide people, what are you leaving to make someone reflect or, think about what they can change in their society. And I
the markets, the country, were one of the best that.
My identity in Christ and Christ that's in me and the power that's in me is why I cannot even stop the Holy Spirit that's in me, right? That's the message of life. That's your drive. You will never get tired, right? If as a human being.
Oh, hi guys, we are back from the event. I changed, I have my food, but I just want to quickly catch up with you guys because I know this vlog has been so smooth. Right now, I feel so happy. I'm so grateful. The event was amazing. I mean, people were crying. People won, like, a group won 3 million. People are winning 1 million. People won in June. This is an amazing, impactful experience, and it honestly created a spark in my heart to really be rooted in my impact. So I'm not sure if you guys will see more vlogs from me. I don't do vlogs anymore. I'm gonna tell stories. I'm gonna make it less about me. But honestly, my life is not even that like interesting. Your life doesn't have to be interesting to make vlogs. Let me just put that disclaimer. I know you guys love my editing, right? What I realized is that in my vlogs, you guys even love my editing. I don't know if you guys actually like my life. I don't want to be a lifestyle vlog girl. I mean, it's fun. I want to do more storytelling, impact. That has just, see, this trip was something from God, because I needed this to remind me of something, because before I came here I was honestly going through a creativity block. This thing has just given me like a lot of confirmation on my journey and what I want and how I'm going to be carrying myself from now on. So I even cancelled a brand deal because we kept on negotiating. I told them these are my rates based on my value. They went lower, and if you go lower my rates, I won't take you seriously. So I was indecisive on replying them or not, but I didn't even want to even start thinking of the concept, like, is this really worth my value? So I really got that reconfirmation, you know, yesterday when we were having a meeting with like people who have really made it and people who really understand the creative business aspects of it. My eyes have been opened so much. I needed to hear that. I want to treat JaraGeorgia as an entity, enterprise. It's not a joke. That's what I've learned. Even seeing like around me, I'm just like, oh, I have a lot to learn, and I'm glad that it's one of the things I've learned. Yeah, it was amazing and all of that. To give us this bag, really cute. Give us that with alongside with this. So let's just unbox it together. Ooh. It's a tripod or it's a light. I don't know. This is a portable video light. These microphones. I honestly wanted a microphone. Welcome to day 4, our last day. Here is Uchekush. And here is Neve, your fave.
Nene is the coolest. Nene is the coolest. Don't play with it.
Jara is the sexiest.
Oh.
True.
Memorable.
And I'm the richest.
And that's Jemmy King.
I'm the richest.
Period.
I've been send me money. A joke I did.
Amazing.
Such a good experience.
Wow. I'm actually going to cry when I get home.
I cried too.
Get to 10 wins. One prime number.
Let's
Wonder.